This is a completely refurbished Yanmar F20D. One of my favorite tractors, actually. Good, large size tractor. Get in and out of anywhere though. It's not too big. Completely refurbished. New tires, brakes, hoses, belts, starter, battery, everything. Everything works on it. The horns work, the lights work. I like this one. It's easy to get on and off. Just climb right in. Nothing to climb over. Sit right down. It's got a new seat. Nice bucket. Lift up over 7.5 feet. It's got a rollover on it with a canopy. That canopy actually has a cover too. I just don't put it on because I end up having to take it off when I trailer it. 3-point hitch, standard PTO, category 1 PTO. So if you wanted to rent something like a bush hog or a wood chipper or something like that, it's just a standard size, category 1. It's got a little tow bar on it right there. Got a handy dandy little toolbox here. Like I said, all the lights work, turn signals work. It's got a new loader, operated with one hand. So you push it up, it goes down, you pull it down, it goes up, and you tilt it back and forth by moving it sideways. No oil leaks, no smoke. It's got 3 main gears right there with your 3 drive gears, giving you 9 forward speeds, on and off 4-wheel drive, locking differential over there, 4-speed PTO, 2 brakes that are locked together right and left. It's got a gas lever on it down there, accelerator I should say, because it's a diesel tractor. And then same thing right there, I call that your cruise control. Great shape. Go ahead and pause it to start it up. There you go, you can hear it running. Not really much to see. Those panels have to come off to get in there. Nice smooth diesel. It's up all the way. See it tilt. Go down, it levels itself out. When it's strong, you'll see it'll pick up the whole front end of the tractor. If you ever need to change your tires, it's pretty simple to do. So that's it. Not too many electronics on it, which is really nice. It's got an electronic solenoid for the fuel starter to go on and off. But this is something I don't think you'd ever have problems with. Anything you want to do on it, you can do yourself. You can change the oil, whole bunch of grease fittings. Just grease it up, change the oil once a year, make sure it's got antifreeze in it, and you're going. See, it's real nice and clean. There's no drips, no nothing dripping on this thing. No smoke. So there you go. It's a Yanmar F20D 4-wheel drive diesel tractor. If you want to see this one, any other ones, go to my website at ToughTractors.com, ToughTractors.com.